just priming my face. This is the Juvia's Place Concealer in the number 10. So I'm going to go in with my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blur with Universal Radiant. I like to put it mostly where I get laugh lines and a little bit under my eye. This is Juice Boost, the Glow Serum in Juice Boost. This is the shade Juice Boost. Oh, this is a glow. Like, okay, this is not what I expected when I saw the advertisement for this, but we're going to make it work. Okay, so, okay. Oh, it smells amazing. So I guess it's going to give me a bit of a glow. Oh, wow. I don't know what this is on my brush. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever, my favorite skin tint at the moment. You push the top and it comes out. There is a hair that I feel and I can't get. It's driving me crazy. Gonna go in next with my e.l.f. concealer in Chestnut, the color 10. I'm gonna just do a little bit of contouring with my House Labs angle brush. Just flip this over. I am absolutely loving the Bowl of Butte palette. I bought two. I bought the one that has many of these colors, but they have some shimmery colors. But anyway, this is the palette. And I'm going to use that tan in there and these dark shades in the outer. I just did a friend of mine like that, and I love the eye. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do that on my eye too. Just to show I have smaller eyes. She had bigger eyes, beautiful eyes. But you can still do the same look. Just kind of have to create the eye you want. I dipped into the pink. But you know what? That's okay. We'll take it right there. That's pretty. It's wintertime, but who cares? Let's bring some summer. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this color is so pretty. Okay, so you can change it up a bit. And I'm going to use the same brush. This brush is from Avon, I believe. Yeah. It's a nice brush. I'm going to tap some of that dark in the outer here. All right, and I'm going to take a blending brush, a smaller one, and take one of these kind of brown colors and connect to kind of give myself a crease, like a cut crease almost. This MAC Cosmetics. LA Girl. I think it's Cobalt Blue. e.l.f. Cosmetics. Liquid liner. Just a and got some things from M.Co. Beauty. I'll have a video on that soon. They had a major sale. Everything was $7. So, you know me in makeup. I had to do it. I guess they pride themselves on duping certain things. So, this is supposed to be the dupe for the Dior blush. The pink blush. I think it's going to be too pale. Well, I know it's going to be too pale for me, but it just looked pretty. So, I was like, I'll use it as an underbase for a blush that I use from Juvia's Place. I'm going to use a Morphe brush, and this is how it looks. I'm going to do a pink lipstick, too. Okay, so it's showing up. Oh, okay. Not bad. Oh, what is on my arm? Volume 5. Just a little bit over the top of it. Okay. So they say that blush wears off first, so I'm going to use my Sephora powder. This is in the color Almond over that. Ooh, I got to go. Because it's a little too strong for me. Okay. That's pretty. Like that. I'm going to use Snob, one of my favorite lipsticks from back in the day. Yes, MAC had a sale and I had to get on it. This is such a pretty baby doll look. I gotta put some glow on my skin. I gotta get a, whew, I am rushing. I don't know where my chestnut lip liner is, but you know what? I'm gonna use this NYX Club Hopper. Kind of looks like Root for me. For MAC. That's pretty. Gloss is gloss for me. They all start fading out looking the same to me. Anyway, okay. So now I'm going to do my hair. OMG, I'm running late. I have had my hair in a ball for a week. Yes, this is about a month in with this sewn in. Ooh, ooh. And it's not tangled. That is my hair that I work from home. So, yeah, I don't be caring. I need to just put some, I don't be wanting to put heat in my hair all the time either. So, this is my favorite Too Faced contour. This stuff is amazing and so beautiful. This is in the color Chocolate Mousse. Too Faced stick. And that's my look. Winter in pink.